And this is a follow-up of this Troy Bilt Super Bronco tiller I got back running for the neighbor. It's got the counter-rotating tines on it. What a nice machine. This has got, I'm not sure the type of engine on this, but it's not a Briggs & Stratton or Honda. I think it's one of these clone engines. But I took the carburetor apart and cleaned it. Been sitting for a while. Cleaned this machine up. We're going to take it back to him. Just starting to rain here too. I'm going to recommend we change the oil in this. I think this has had very little usage. So let this sit and run a long time. That old gas needs to be burned out of it. So let's see if we can give this a start. Still hot, so don't need to choke it. Here we go. There we go. Start it right up. Still got the old gas. Working. That's one of the best tillers you can buy right here, the Rear-Tine Troy Bilt tiller. Taking the gas like it should. Gonna take this back to the neighbor. What a nice machine. Glad to get it back running for him.